Hey, YouTube enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into a unique topic, how to run a YouTube automation channel using AI. Let's jump right in. Segment 1, Understanding YouTube Automation. YouTube automation involves using AI tools to streamline tasks, allowing you to focus on content creation and growth strategies. Segment 2, AI-generated thumbnails and titles. AI can analyze your content and suggest attention-grabbing thumbnails and titles, increasing click-through rates. Segment 3, Automated uploads and scheduling. Set up AI tools to upload videos and schedule releases at optimal times. This ensures your content reaches the right audience. Segment 4, Engagement and comments. AI-driven bots can handle basic interactions, replying to comments and engaging with your viewers. Segment 5, Analytics and insights. AI-powered analytics offer valuable insights into audience behavior, helping you refine your content strategy. There you have it, a snapshot of how to run a YouTube automation channel using AI tools, boost efficiency, focus on quality, and watch your channel thrive.